Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I am going to make cheesy white sauce macaroni. Into a pan add 1 tablespoon butter. Into the butter add some chopped carrot, chopped capsicum, onion, saute it for 2 minutes. Vegetables are done. Now remove it out from pan and transfer it onto a bowl. Set it aside. Into the same pan add 2 tablespoons butter, once butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Roast maida well with butter for 2 minutes in low flame. Now add 1 cup of milk. Whisk it well. Make sure there is no lumps. Cook until the sauce turns little thick. Now add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. You can also use any other cheese of your choice. Now add half teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon black pepper, add some salt to taste, sauteed veggies, into the sauce add 1 cup of boiled macaroni. Mix until the sauce gets combined with macaroni. It's ready. Now turn off the flame and transfer it onto a serving bowl. That's it. Cheesy white sauce macaroni is ready. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.